Hello dear friends, welcome to the chemistry session. Very good afternoon to everybody. Let us today we are discussing after assumption and demerits of the crystal field theory. Here we start the assumption or the can say the postulate of this molecular orbital theory. First, who discovered this theory? This discovered by the scientist Hans Mulliken. This discovered by scientist Hans and this discovered by scientist Hans Mulliken. So what is the idea about this molecular orbital theory? This gives the idea about the atomic orbitals when the atomic orbitals are combined to form the new molecular orbitals. But what is the atomic orbital? We can say these atomic orbitals, atomic orbitals are combined. You can say atomic orbitals are combined. But this atomic orbital must be equal energy. Equal energy. So that is what equal energy. Energy कैसा होना चाहिए? Equal. So that equal energy and but having this must be the similar. We can say similar atomic orbitals. So the orbital is similar. So that orbital is what similar atomic orbital or similar orbitals. That's why that is about 1s orbital is combined with 1s orbital, 2s orbital is combined with 2s orbital, 1s orbital combined with what 2s. This is not possible. This is what this orbital combination of orbital is successful, but this is possible whenever we s2 with what s2px, s2py. So this x2px, x2py, and s2 and pz. This is what this is possible. This is not possible. Why? Because of the energy stability of this is the types of the orbital. We can say this px, py, and pz. This is what some way what this is the empty orbital, or we can say this is what one orbital is there. So this consider what unhybridized orbital. What unhybridized, and this unhybridized orbital is always combined with the s orbital. This is nothing but what this is the possibility for the combination of s to pz, not px and py, 1s to 1s and 2s to 2s. So this is atomic orbitals are combined to equal energy having similar orbitals. This is the possible. Again we can say the atomic orbitals are combined to form the molecular orbital. We can say atomic orbitals are combined and to form we can say this is the atomic orbitals are combined and to form to generate new orbital. That orbital is nothing but what molecular orbital. This is nothing but what molecular orbital. The molecular orbitals are energy state. It is the energy state. So we can say this is the energy state, and this is nothing but we can say this atomic orbitals are combined in formation of molecular orbitals. And at that time, this atomic orbital, it is that these lose, we can say lose their identity after combination or after formation of molecular orbitals, after formation of the molecular orbitals. So that is what again we can know this molecular orbitals formed by the equal number of the atomic orbitals are combined. Okay, so that is nothing but we are having this is the atomic orbital. These types of the atomic orbitals are participation. This is nothing but what bonding. So this is the ground state. So this consider bonding molecular orbital. This is the middle state. This is non-bonding molecular orbital. Non-bonding. You can say this what a non-bonding molecular orbital. This is what anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this is atomic orbital. This atomic orbitals are combined. And to form this is nothing but a molecular orbital. This atomic orbital combined to form molecular orbital, but it must be equal energy and similar orbitals. So that is nothing but that. For example, 1s, 2s, that is not again s to pz, not a s to px and py. This is not 2s and 2s. So this is possible. How this is nothing but this ground state energy orbitals. This is the lower energy. So another we can say this is what this next assumption we can say this ground state or bonding molecular orbitals having stable due to what? Due to lower energy of bonding molecular orbitals. So bonding molecular orbitals having the stable due to the lower energy state, that is the bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, so here next assumption we can say this is what bonding molecular orbitals having the lower energy but high stability. Bonding molecular orbital involved, so that is next assumption you can say bonding molecular orbitals involved. Which types of the orbital? This one is involved, so involvement of this molecular orbital is but what which types of the sigma bond, pi bond, or you can say delta bond. This is for the bonding molecular. So what is that for anti-bonding molecular? So that is nothing but what anti-bonding, you can say anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbitals, anti-bonding molecular orbital involve what? We can say this involvement of this is the sigma star, pi star, and this is what a delta star. This is nothing but anti-bonding orbitals. For example, if we have the nitrogen molecules, and now we can say this what this theory is where explained, or it is follows. This theory follows. We can say FOWLOW. This follows Aubaup rule. Aubaup rule. This follows what? Aubaup. You can say Aubaup rule, Pauli's rule. Again, this what Hund's rule, or you can say Hund's principle. This is applied. This is what Aubaup rule, Pauli's rule, and Hund's rule. So this this Aubaup rule. This is on the basis of the building up process. We can say energy concept. So this is explained by this is what most important is energy concept. This filling of the electrons, how the electrons are filling. Energy concept, based on the energy concept, electrons are filling. Is most important for the stability of the molecules, stability of the orbitals. This tells that by this what stability of orbitals, how the electrons are filling, single electron, when the pairing is takes place. So this is what molecular orbital theory where follow. This is followed by Aubaup rule, Pauli's rule, and Hund's rule. Then next one, whenever the bonding molecular orbital we have to involvement the sigma bond, pi bond, and the sigma star and pi star. So one of the example we will explain here. For example, nitrogen molecule. If we are having the nitrogen molecules which are having the 14 electron is there. Nitrogen atomic number 7, atomic number 7, but that is nothing but what the two atomic orbital. This is 7 plus 7, you can say this is the 7 7, then formation of the N2 molecule is there. So how the atomic configuration or electronic composition are takes part. So how this is what we can take sigma 1s, sigma we can say sigma 2s. So this is what a star, this one is a star, again what 2px, 2py, so that is nothing but 2, pi 2px, so pi 2px, pi 2py, again what pi 2p, you can say this is what pi 2px, pi 2p, again what pi 2px, pi 2py, pi 2px again. Pi 2py here. This is the anti-bonding orbitals. Again, next one what pi 2p third. So this is what pi 2p third. This is the anti-bonding orbital. So how this is a first 4 orbit. You can say cell. This is considered a KK cell. So as a filling of electrons, we are having the 14 electrons. This 2 electrons here, 2 electrons. How many electrons here? Here is 8 electron, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is a 14 electron is up to this. So here, this is we can say this is the bond order. We can calculate this bond order. It is nothing but non-bonding electrons minus the anti-bonding electron divided by 2. So this one of the formula for the calculation of the bonding orbital. It is nothing but one of the assumption is that this theory where I explain how to calculate or the calculation of the bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, but this explain again what a quantum mechanical theory. This is based on the quantum mechanics theory. So this is what this molecular orbitals theory. This is what assumption, or we can say the postulate of molecular orbital theory. So here some drawback, or we can say this is the demerit. अब इसके कुछ demerit थे, कुछ drawbacks थे, कुछ demerits थे, कुछ drawbacks थे. किसके? So for this is the molecular orbitals theory. So which one is the drawback? Which one is the demerits of the molecular orbitals theory? We are here explanation of the demerits of the drawback. First, it does not explain. It does not explain what this one of the concept. This is the molecular geometry. Does not explain. Can say this most important is polyatomic molecule first. Polyatomic मतलब पॉलीएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल का उसने स्टडी नहीं किया. नॉट एक्सप्लेन सच टाइप्स ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूलर ज्योमेट्री, नॉट एक्सप्लेन or does not give the idea about the geometry of such types of the geometry, can say geometry or shape of molecules, geometry or shape of molecules. Again, it does not explain this quantum. This only based on this gives idea only the based on this theory, where based on quantum mechanical, we can say quantum mechanical theory. But this is too much difficult. This is what this theory were the too difficult. You can say too difficult. It is a not easier understanding. Not easier understand. So these are the demerits or drawbacks, you can say, molecular orbital theory. तो यहाँ पे कुछ ये ड्रॉबैक थे, डिमेरिट्स थे मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल थ्योरी के. दैट इज फोर ड्रॉबैक था. उन्होंने पॉलीएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल का स्टडी नहीं किया. कुछ एग्जांपल मतलब कुछ ज्योमेट्री से मॉलिक्यूल इसके बारे में नहीं बताया. स्टडी किया था उसने क्वांटम मैकेनिकल का, लेकिन ये क्वांटम मैकेनिकल जो है ये दिस इज नॉट इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस इज डिफिकल्ट for the explanation of the molecule, properties of the molecule. That's why this the some few drawbacks of this molecular orbital theories.